Welcome to another Brella tutorial video. In this video, we will go over how to edit your invite codes manually and through a file export. This is useful if you need to create new join codes for new or existing attendees, edit attendee information, or delete invite codes. So let's start with the file import method. First, sign into your admin panel at manager.brella.io, go to your event, select people, and then invites. Click on Invites Export to send your current invite list to your email. Open it up in your preferred spreadsheet software. It should look something like this. Before we get started, there are some important things to note. The only sections you need to edit are email, first name, last name, company, title, and seats. Please avoid making any changes or adding any information to the other columns, as this may cause the import to not work properly. To add new codes, add the email and names of your attendees, and then add the number of seats. To edit details of your attendees, simply change or add the information in the proper column. Before saving and closing the file, make sure that everything is spelled correctly and that all attendees have seats allocated to them. Once you're satisfied with your changes, save the file, close it, and then click on Invites Import in your admin panel. Import the file you made, then refresh the page once it's finished. Now you can export the file again, and your updated invite list will be sent to your email. Now let's go over how to edit your invites manually. Find the invite you want to edit, then click the pen icon here. Here you can change existing information or add additional information. Once you've finished, select Save to save your changes. If you want to delete an invite, you have two options. You can delete seats or the whole invite. To delete individual seats, simply click on the trash icon here. This removes that user if the seat is taken, or reduces the number of seats available to this invite. To delete an invite, click on the pen icon here, then find Delete Invite near the bottom. This will remove the invite entirely. That's all there is to editing and deleting invites. Thanks for watching, and for more help, check out our help center at help.brella.io.